Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today we will talk about can sublimation paper be used on dark sheets? If you throw a piece of black fabric in the dyeing vat and then fish it out, it will still be black. It is the principle of additive and subtractive color in the chromatology. Since white and flesh-colored colors cannot over black, you need to use white first. The bottom layer prevents the color pattern from mixing with the black bottom sheet. There is a white coating on the thermal transfer paper. When printing a black t-shirt, the coating is a gel-like opaque polymer coating. The heat transfer process is essentially the glue absorbing on the face of the t-shirt. In the high temperature and high pressure method, the color is fixed and not washed off. Therefore, when transferring dark t-shirts, use special dark t-shirt transfer paper. And when using dark transfer paper, any uncut paper or any spots that do not contain printing will appear white